You mentioned beauties. Can you talk about the goal from last month? I think well, my favorite thing was seeing the reactions of your teammates around you, who were in nice shock after watching that go in. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I did enjoy it. It was fully packed. I don't play a lot of I don't play a lot of games in a full stadium, so. So no, I had to enjoy it. Yeah. What a misquote! Ah no, they won't. Man. But I'm being honest, man. I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Did you want to score a few more of those in packed stands?
Yeah. Especially also at club level. Yeah, I would love to score those also.